Greetings for different times of the day. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this lesson, we will focus on greetings for different times of the day. Greetings are an essential part of communication, and using the appropriate greeting can help you start conversations on the right foot. So let's dive in and learn some common greetings for different times of the day. In the morning, when you meet someone for the first time during the day, you can use greetings such as good morning, morning, hello. These greetings are friendly and appropriate for starting conversations in the morning. Remember to smile and maintain eye contact to make your greetings even more welcoming. As the day progresses, you can use different greetings to acknowledge the afternoon. Here are a few examples. Good afternoon, afternoon. Hey! These greetings are suitable for informal settings during the afternoon. Feel free to use them when meeting friends, colleagues, or acquaintances. When the day starts winding down, it's time to switch to evening greetings. Here are some common evening greetings. Good evening. Evening. Hi! Using these greetings shows that you are aware of the time of day and are extending your warm wishes accordingly. It's a great way to make others feel acknowledged and valued. When it's late and you're saying hello or goodbye, it's appropriate to use night greetings. Here are a few examples. Good night. Night. Bye. Night greetings are generally used when parting ways or saying goodbye at the end of the day. Keep in mind that good night can also be used to wish someone a good night's sleep. Great job! You've learned some common greetings for different times of the day. Remember to adapt your greetings based on the time you're in and the level of formality. By using the appropriate greetings, you can show respect, politeness, and friendliness in your English conversations. Practice using these greetings in your daily interactions to become more confident and fluent in English. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. Keep up the good work, and see you in the next lesson.